Students, now we see how to draw the angle XYZ which is of 15 degree by using the protractor. Now first we have to draw the ray by using ruler. Since we are asked to draw the angle XYZ, here I am going to mark the point Y and Z on the ray. Then we take the protractor, keep the center of the protractor at the point Y so that base line of the protractor coincide with the ray YZ. Now we use inner scale to measure the angle 15 degree. This is 0 degree, this is 10 degree, this is 20 degree. 15 degree will come in exactly between 10 and 20. So here I am going to mark the point X. Then we remove the protractor and join this point X with the Y using ruler. So this is the angle XYZ which is of 15 degree. Now in fourth we are asked to draw the angle MNO which is of 90 degree. Now since we are asked to draw the angle MNO, first we draw the ray by using ruler and we mark the point N and O on this ray. Then we take the protractor, keep the center of the protractor at the point N so that baseline coincide with the ray NO. Now we use inner scale to measure the angle 90 degree. This is 0 degree, this is 10 degree, this is 20 degree, this is 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Here is 90 degree. So here I am going to mark the point and name it as M. Then we join this point M with the N using ruler. So this is the angle MNO which is of 90 degree. Student, now further we are asked to draw the angle BCD which is of 100 degree. So again to draw the angle BCD, first we draw the ray using ruler. Here I am going to mark the point C at one end and here I am going to mark the point D. Then we take the protractor, keep the protractor at the vertex C so that base line of the protractor coincide with the ray CD. Again I am going to use inner scale to measure the angle 100 degree. So this is 0 degree, this is 10, 20, 30, 40 and so on. If we move on the left hand side, here we get 100 degree. So here I am going to mark the point with the dot. Then we remove the protractor, name this point as B. And then by using a ruler, we join this point B with the C. So this is the angle BCD which is of 100 degree. At the last we are asked to draw the angle PQR which is of 150 degree. So again first we draw the ray. Here I am going to mark the point Q and here I am going to mark the point R. Then we take the protractor, keep the center of the protractor at the point Q, or we can say that at the vertex Q. Again we use inner scale to measure the angle 150 degree. So this is 0, 10, 20, 30, 40 and so on. If we move on the left hand side, here we get 150 degree. So here I am going to mark the point P. And then we join this point P with the Q using ruler. So this is the angle PQR which is of 150 degree. So children, likewise you can draw any angle by using protractor.